Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Naomi. If you've never seen me before, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? Alright, so today, according to the title, I feel like you guys already know we're creating the very popular Nigerian traditional wedding makeup look, and my model is here. Her name is Annabelle. So quick one, yeah. I recently posted in our community tab that I'll be uploading videos every Wednesdays and Sundays. I feel like it's just a no-brainer for us to have like a structure, you know, when videos will be dropping on this channel, so you guys are not like clueless, like, oh, now we just drop videos anytime, any day. And I've kind of like been hiding behind that. I like commitments, you know. Now that I put out dates, I mean days that I will be uploading videos, it's not like a commitment. Like on Monday I was like, oh, what am I going to do? By Tuesday I ran out of the house. I was like, I have to create content because I've already promised my 1060 subscribers that videos will drop every Wednesdays and Sundays, and I had to come through. So yeah, I'm glad that we finally had that out of the way. So and I also want to say thank you to my recently 10 subscribers that joined the family. I think last week to this week. So we're currently at 1060. Thank you guys so much for always supporting, staying, being here, loving me, and you know, sharing my videos. Yeah, so I also want to talk to you guys about something. Like, I feel like if you want something, like if you want to see a video on this channel, feel free to let me know in the comment section, because lately I've been like hitting rock bottom because I don't know what you guys want to watch, and I want to create content that you guys want to watch, and I can only do this with your help. So if you're listening to me right now and if you have something you want me to, you know, make a video about, if there's something you want me to talk about, please feel free to leave me a comment below in the comment section. I'll definitely get right to it. And if you really like this type of videos, please give it a thumbs up. Okay, yeah, if I get at least 100 thumbs up for this video, I know you guys want to see more videos like this. And if you're not so shy, you want to go ahead and tell me, oh Naomi, you can create this type of videos, I love watching this type of videos, that would mean so much to me. Like, it's just great knowing that you guys want to watch something and I'm creating that kind of video. I don't know if you get what I mean. So yeah, I just wanted to get that off my chest. And if you have any questions about this makeup tutorial, please leave them below again in the comment section. Don't be shy, use that comment section, you guys. I reply every single comment, okay, and as quickly as possible, as quickly as I see it, I reply your comments. So yeah, let's use that, okay? It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changed.
could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
So as soon as I was done with the eyes, I went off camera to do her skin work, foundation, contouring, and highlighting, and I'm just showing you guys what her face is looking like at each stage. And right after this, I had to give my colleague, the opportunity to tie her hair because I was already tired at this point. So I think you guys know Faith. She has been on my channel before. I did talk about her and how she can tie Gele really well. So I asked her to tie this hair tie for us today, and she's doing such a good job. I mean, this Gele turned out really beautiful, and I'm just trying to show you guys what she's doing. Like, this is not like a detailed tutorial or anything like that. If you also want to see a detailed Gele tutorial, I have tons of them on this channel. I will leave a link to that playlist up here for you guys to watch. But if you want some new trending styles, I'll definitely have Faith come on here and do like a real proper tutorial for you guys. Again, leave me a comment below, let me know. That's how I would know you guys want to see these type of videos, okay?
Even if you're gone, I will remember you. All I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.
So at some point while she was tying the Gele, they took the light, hence why the video seemed like it was dull. Okay, so as soon as she's done tying the Gele, I proceeded to doing her lips. Yeah, and I'm using some of my favorite lip pencils from Zaroncosmetics. I'm going to leave all of these product details in my description box, so do check that out. And Zaroncosmetics beauty consultant, and what that means is you can shop their product via my website. And yeah, I'm going to also leave that in the description box, I'm sorry. Yeah, so yeah, thank you guys so much again. I think we're getting very close to the end of this video already. Do give it a thumbs up if you haven't. Do drop a comment if you want to see this type of videos on this channel. Let me know your thoughts about today's video, and thank you guys again. Thank you so much for watching.
We talk on the phone every for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. That I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe.